Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to calculate your potential savings with Upstart Auto Refinance. So refinancing your car loan can reduce your monthly payments or save on interest, and here's how to estimate your potential savings. So the first thing is to gather your current loan details. So find out your remaining balance, your interest rates, and monthly payments, and check if your lender has prepayment penalties. Next, you want to get a refinance quote from Upstart. So use Upstart's auto loan refinance calculator to see potential offers, and you can compare the new rate versus your current APR to estimate how much you're gonna save on that. You can estimate monthly and total interest savings. So if the new rate is lower, then calculate how much less interest that you'll pay over the loan term. And you also want to check if your monthly payments will be lower, higher, or about the same. Next, factor in loan term adjustment. So a lower loan term means smaller monthly payments, but a lot more interest paid overall. Whereas a shorter loan term might increase monthly payments, but it's going to reduce the total interest cost. Next, you want to decide if refinancing makes sense. So if the new loan saves you money and fits your budget, then you want to consider refinancing. Also, you want to ensure that the total cost of the new loan is lower than your current one. Otherwise, that's just putting yourself in more trouble. But yeah, that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.